Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2016 Chevrolet Impala LTZ. This one has the 3.6 liter V6 under the hood, and it sounds amazing. As you can see by the key, hit lock. Oh, now you're not going to do it for me? There we go. Nice WeatherTech mats on this example. Tons of rear seat room. I literally just tested the remote start. Maybe because the windows are open, I don't know. Inside, sounds awesome. Interior looks great. So this is our full-size sedan. This is as big as they come in terms of Chevrolet, except when you move up to your SUVs such as the Suburban, the Tahoe. For 2020, we just discontinued the Impala, which is a shame because after driving it, it's a lot of fun to drive and it's a really nice car. Brakes feel good, plenty of stopping power. Nice little phone holder right here. You do have a manual mode. You get upshift and downshift based on the up and down on the top of the shifter as well. Once we get to the curvy back road, I'll put it into manual mode for you. First half of the drive will be in normal automatic mode. It's got plenty of pull to it. Wow. Manual mode works great. All the features in here are really, really nice, as this was, you know, Chevrolet's flagship sedan. So much power, it's unbelievable. So it won't auto upshift for you. That's what I was testing there. That's awesome. It won't downshift. Manual's manual. Thank you, Chevy. You understand. Funny because I actually know the guy in front of us. He goes around collecting scrap metal. Rides really well. But other than that, this is super comfortable to drive. This is designed to be a long haul car. You know, you could drive cross country in one of these. But yeah, it's a really fun car to drive. I was not expecting that. Chevy did a great job on the Impala. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video.